Aries, and this is my first ever YouTube video. Today I'm gonna unbox something my mom bought me. Here it is.
Is it difficult to open?
Yeah.
You can do it. Are you excited to see what's inside?
Yeah.
You don't look like it.
It opened. I'm just scared. Ooh, what's this?
You show them one by one, okay? What's that? Can you open it? Ooh. What do you think?
This looks cool.
It looks cool.
Where do I put this?
Put it there.
Here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's another one. What is?
Oh, that color looks good.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Which one do you like more? The pink one or the yellow one? You look happier with that one.
They both look cool.
Next.
Which one should I go with first? The blue one or the house? Where is the open? What's this?
Just put it there. Show it. It's not showing on the screen. Oh, there. Oh, that looks nice. You're going to try it on later, okay? Like it?
Yeah. I'll just put it
And the last one, please.
this one. I'll put it on the
You throw that later. Look at me. Here. Show it. Oh.
This is beautiful.
Do you like that more?
Yeah.
Which one do you like best?
I like this.
Okay, you'll try it on later. Alrighty.
My first ever unboxing, and I'm really happy of what I got. See you in my next video.